welcome to my channel magicofoneclick. So today we are going to type 130th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. A new thing in this program is how to use margin left, margin right and margin bottom property. And margin stop property. We'll start with doctype HTML. HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash css, opera 1, margin left 50 pixels. Now we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line. Margin top, (25 pixels). Margin bottom equals to 100 pixels. And border 3 pixels, solid red. Now we'll give width, that is 60%. Border 1 pixel, solid line. And margin 200 underscore photo. Now we'll end style tag, head tag. Now paragraph class equals to paragraph 1. Now we'll end p tag. We'll start hr tag, height row tag. Once again p class equals to disk. Now we'll end p tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 130 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 130th program. So this is our basic output of how to use margin left, right, bottom and top. And don't forget to check the text in description for the clear and basic understanding. And please like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing HTML videos.